Hey everybody, today we are going to make some salsa verde. These are tomatillos. When you get them at the store or if you grow them, they're going to have a skin that comes on them. You peel those off and then you give them a good wash. You'll find when you're peeling the skins off that they're going to have a stickiness to them. And that is totally the way they're supposed to be. So peel the skin off and give them a good wash. I have my flame on the stove here, and then I have our tortilla pan, and I put a piece of tin foil on it, and it just saves for a faster cleanup. So we're going to toast them. You want to get all the sides toasted. Just give them a flip. It'll take a couple minutes on each side. But this gives them a really good flavor to your salsa. It's very easy to make this salsa. You can actually do the same thing with regular tomatoes as well. You can also boil these as well, and you might get just a little bit of a different flavor, but the toasted flavor is a lot better. Just give them all a flip. Sometimes I use my hands, sometimes I use the tongs. Whatever works for you. Sometimes they'll get where they stick a little bit, and that's fine. Okay, they are toasted. Now I am going to stick them in the blender. I've toasted them on a couple of the sides. I just didn't want to bore you with watching the whole thing. They might stick a little, but they peel right up. Now after this, we are going to add some jalapeños, and I'm going to add a little bit of onion. And we are going to do the same thing. We are going to toast them on both sides. So the salsa verde verde means green in Spanish. So that's why it is called salsa verde. It's green sauce. My husband is Spanish, and you will see him a little bit walking around in the background. Everybody always asks me if I'm filming, and I'll tell them yes, but I'm going to do a voiceover, so otherwise you would hear a bunch of stuff going on in the background in the TV. So we are getting them off of the pan right here. It is sticking just a little bit, but it does release. Okay, we have that. And now we are going to take it over to the counter. Turn our stove off. We are done with the stove now. We are going to put a whole little bunch of cilantro. They come in the bunch like at Walmart. We didn't have any fresh cilantro, so this is from the store. About a teaspoon of salt. And then this here is minced garlic. I put a heaping big spoonful and another half. We love garlic. Love garlic. And garlic is good for you as well. If you see in the background there, that is my sourdough that just came out of the oven just a few minutes right before I did the salsa. And that will be in another video. Okay, here I am going to start the blender. And you're going to give it a really, really good mix. Some people like it a little chunky, but we usually just blend it up really good. And then after that, we are just going to put it in our bowl, and that will be it. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that way you'll get notified every time that I make a new video. There is the salsa. And you can add this to anything. You can just eat it with chips and salsa, or you can put it in your dishes or add a little bit to the side of anything that you're going to eat. Of course, with my husband being Spanish, we have a lot of hot sauce in this house. And there it is. Good to go. And it is yummy. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.